integration with your systems and their systems is super important. And it depends on what business you're in. You may have, super important relationships with your supply chain, and you want to get integration set up with their system so that you can see what's there, what's available. Especially right now, there may be some hiccups here and there in the supply chain. So you want to be aware of that. So get the integration with your providers, with your vendors, with your suppliers, so you can have insight into that. And that doesn't need to be through a web portal, but if you could give them a web portal, just get that integration going so your team has insight into your supply chain. So your biggest suppliers, you definitely should have these integrations with, so you have that insight, again, so that you don't need them there, and 24/7, you can get access to that information. So get those integrations with your biggest suppliers is number one. And then on the other side, getting the integrations with your existing systems, going back to the customer portal or to anything else, get some integrations going with your back-end systems. You don't need to have the latest and greatest ERP or CRM or whatever system it is that you're running your business on to provide a great portal to the world and to your customers. You can integrate with pretty much anything. We've worked on things like mainframes and built nice, modern, mobile-friendly portals that integrate with that system back there. So you can integrate with just about anything without having to build from the ground up. So don't think that you can't modernize these communications and collaborations with your partners, with your customers. You can do it even with older systems. Get that integration set up and then build something nice and new and modern for them to use.